X2, expected to launch in India on January 1, 2019, is a flagship smartphone of the renowned brand Vivo. Just like other next series mobiles, it is said that it will come with 2 AMOLED display and highest screen-to-body ratio ever in a smartphone. As per the sources, it will have an in-display fingerprint scanner, sport a triple camera system, AI-powered flash, and a lot more. Vivo X2 price in India. Vivo X2 price in India is anticipated to be around Rs 49,990 for its 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage variant. It is also believed to be available in 2 different color options in the market, i.e. black and gold color. Vivo X2 specifications: design, display and configuration. The brand new Vivo X2 exhibits an impressive 6.59-inch bezel-less display without a notch. This is an AMOLED screen with a screen resolution of 1080 x 2316 pixels, having a pixel density of 388 ppi. There is a fingerprint sensor position in the screen, and the smartphone comes with the light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, and gyroscope sensor. To ensure exceptional performance, the smartphone is backed with an incredible configuration. Vivo X2 runs on Android v 9.1 Pie operating system, driven by octa-core, 2.8 GHz, quad-core, Cryo 385 plus 1.8 GHz, quad-core, Cryo 385, processor or Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 855 processor seated on an architecture of 64-bit. The device comprises of 6GB of RAM to provide users relish mobile user experience without any lags or glitches. For commendable graphical performance, the device is inclusive of Adreno 658 GPU that can make games run smoothly. Vivo X2 camera. As more and more mobile users are exploring social media, everyone wants to own a smartphone that clicks stunning pictures which they can post on the social accounts. Undoubtedly, the camera is an essential specification one considers while buying a new smartphone. Vivo X2 cameras sports a brilliant combination of triple rear cameras having 12MP plus 12MP plus 5MP lenses with an LED flash designed to capture good quality pictures even in the low light conditions with an image resolution of 4000 x 3000 pixels. It is also rumored to feature a time-of-flight scanner that is capable of capturing 3D models. Apart from these, other camera features are exposure compensation and ISO control settings, features like auto flash, digital zoom, touch to focus, face detection, and shooting modes like continuous shooting and high dynamic range, HDR, modes. Storage and battery. The Vivo X2 comes with a Li-ion battery having a good capacity of 4,100 mAh that keep the device running for long hours. Such a battery life provides immense power backup to the smartphone and supports fast charging, meaning it can refill the battery in a less period of time. With respect to its storage, the device has an inbuilt storage of 128GB which can store a huge amount of data, files, photos, videos, games, apps, etc. of the users. This is a dual SIM smartphone that supports 4G, supports Indian bands, 3G, 2G nano SIMs in its both slots. Furthermore, other network connectivity options available are Wi-Fi 802.11, B/G/N, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth V5.0, AGPS, GLONASS and a lot more. For more updates like Vivo X2 mobile reviews, launch in India, specifications, and more, explore gadgets now. Vivo X2 price in India. Vivo X2 price in India is approximately 52080. This mobile will be available in colors such as Icefield Blue, Star Purple. That's it from this video. Thanks for watching mobile.com.